Sometimes you can get to the red-hot magnet mining. Look at this excavator, which is capable of lowering its bucket to great depths. And this excavator operator seems to have reached the master level and can climb vertical surfaces. It looks like this equipment was overloaded and the wheels couldn't handle the load. Those steel cables couldn't take the strain and just burst. Next, I will show you a small selection of falls of heavy equipment. Watch the video to the end. And these machines are designed to splash water during rock explosions. This is to extinguish the dust. Would you like a mini excavator like this? Write in the comments. Every machine needs care, even if it's bigger than a house. This is how building removal is done with excavators. This truck makes an embankment for the highway. With the help of a hydraulic system, the body tilts to the side and pours out the sand. This machine, which looks like a Mars rover, is designed to cut down trees. And this is a marble quarry. Look how huge marble blocks are extracted with heavy equipment. This Menzie muck or walking excavator. The feature of this excavator is its movable chassis, which easily adapts to the most uneven surface and terrain. That's how easily the bulldozer can clear overgrown landscapes for further ground development. Compare the size of the excavator against the backdrop of the dump truck. Immediately, the size of such a machine becomes clear. But next, I will show you even bigger equipment. Watch the video to the end. This is how concrete piles are driven into the ground with a hydraulic hammer. For such a large machine, a man cannot replace the tires by hand. For this, you need special equipment. In this video, I also offer you to feel the size of an excavator in front of a dump truck. We are nearing the end of the video. Soon I will show you the monster of the industry. This is how excavation works in the sea. This is a giant hydraulic jackhammer designed to loosen the soil. This giant PC4000 from Komatsu is big enough to impress anybody, especially if you see this machine in person, but even it is small compared to the next giant. Introducing the huge bucket wheel, a shopping mall-sized rotary excavator designed to dig rock in quarries. This little guy is worth $100 million. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.